Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Learning is Fun with me. Today we have celebrated graduation ceremony and family day in my school. Graduation is the time of celebration. It is the end of the one phase and the beginning of the new phase. I want to congratulate to all my little graduates. Today is your day. God bless you all. Now you are entering into the new chapter of your life, new challenges, new opportunities. God bless you all. I'm very happy for you, my dear little graduates, because you are promoting to new class, but sad as well because I will miss you, my little cuties. Thank you so much to dear and lovely parents who always supported me. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.